This is exercise number 12.2, problem number 6. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeters subtends an angle 60 degrees. Now this AB is the chord. Here angle subtended is equal to 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. So we have to find out the area of major segment and minor segment. Minor segment is this, and this is the major segment. Okay, for major and minor segment, we need now this is the sector. So this is the segment minor. So area of sector minus area of the triangle. Okay, that is the sector, that will be the minor segment. So that is why first let us write R is equal to 15 centimeter, theta is equal to 60 degrees. So area of minor sector, this OAPB is equal to pi r square theta upon 360. Okay, here given 3.14 we have to take pi. So 3.14 into R into R. R is equal to 15 into 15. Theta is equal to 60 upon 360. Okay, 360. 2 12s are 2 1s, 2 3 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 5s are. Okay, 2 6s are 2 3s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 7s are. So 1.57 multiplied by 5 into 15. This comes to be 117.75 centimeters square. Now this is a equilateral triangle. It is a equilateral triangle. Why? Because it's 60. ये दोनों सेम होते हैं. Opposite angles will be equal. So याद रखने का कभी भी subtended angle is 60 degrees means equilateral triangle. So now to get the minor segment, next step में we have to find out area of equilateral triangle. That is triangle OAB area we have to find out. This area, triangle OAB area. So formula is root 3 upon 4 into side square. Side is radius. So root 3 upon 4 into 15 into 15. Okay, here 1.73. Root 3 value we have to take into 15 into 15. Okay, 225 into 1.73 into 4. It comes to be 97.3125 centimeters square if you multiply. Already I multiplied and kept. Okay, now area of circle. Okay, minor segment. Now minor segment is area of minor sector, area of minor segment is equal to area of minor sector minus triangle. Okay, triangle area minor sector का हमको आई है. How much we have got? 117.75 minus this is 97. Circle is 3125. So if you subtract, you will be getting 20.4375 centimeter square. Okay, अभी ये हो गई segment का आ गए. तो ये मेजर सेगमेंट का चाहिए. सो एरिया ऑफ मेजर segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. ये सर्कल है. सर्कल में से ए माइनर सेगमेंट का एरिया निकाल दिए तो हमको ए मेजर सेगमेंट का आ जाएगा. सो एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस माइनर सेगमेंट का आ गए 20.4375. So 22 upon 3.14 we have to take. 3.14 into 15 into 15 minus 20.4375. So if you multiply this, we will be getting 706.5 minus 20.4375. It comes to be 686.0625 centimeter square. This is the answer. So only 1 to 6 problems you have. This 12.3 exercise. Is deleted, so don't have 12.3. 4, 5, 6 is cancelled, and only one problem is there, that is 14th problem that we have to do. 14th one I will complete here only because that is the your multiple choice question. 14. Take the correct answer for the following. Area of sector of angle P of circle with the radius. Okay, this is the circle. This is P दिए हैं आपको. Radius is equal to R. Okay, area of sector. Area of sector का formula क्या है? Pi r square theta upon 360. Here pi is pi only. Okay, pi is pi. R square is equal to capital R square. Theta is equal to P upon 360. Okay. 360. Area of the sector of the angle. Okay, इसको 360 को हम okay, theta pi into 2 pi r square upon P into. Okay, here it is given. Direct answer is not given here. Okay, here it is given. This answer is correct. P upon D1 720 into 2 pi r square is correct. This is the area of circle actually. Sorry, area of the minor sector. But direct answer is not given. But if you take the answer, this one, here this is correct. Why? Because 2 1s are 2 360s are. So ultimately it comes to be P into 360 into pi r square. So option D is correct. Okay.